Hey everyone, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. I hope everybody is fabulous on this beautiful day. I know it's been a great day for me. I've had a lot of fun today, so it's been fantastic. So let's have a look at where we're up to. Whoops, turn that sound down. So, yeah, Sunday, a little bit casual today, about to go out for a walk when I've done my live. So I'm very excited, but I really want to share some great information with you today, just a little bit on my journey with digital marketing. So if I was to say to you, just imagine for a moment, if you had a step-by-step training to understand the mindset that you need, the message that you need to put out there, and the marketing that you need, and you can still do all of this following a 2-hour workday to your first, let's say, million online, right? How exciting would that be for you? Now, I can say that, this first, I've done a lot of work on my mindset. I've done a lot of work on myself. But I took a chance on this digital marketing and joined the program, and I'm so glad I did. It's been absolutely phenomenal for me in so many ways, but just the things I didn't expect was to have breakthrough after breakthrough in such a short period of time. And it's been truly priceless for me. I could see the opportunity and, when it was presented as an opportunity to upskill my current business, like upskill personally so I could increase my current business. And plus it had additional income stream opportunities there with 4 digital products if I wanted to. And this community and the additional income from the master resale rights that you get have been an incredible bonus for me. And again, if you were just to imagine, just imagine if you had that step-by-step system to master the right mindset, craft the perfect message, and implement effective marketing all in that 2-hour workday. Well, that's exactly what this training is. And, so I really want to make sure that you take advantage of what's coming in this digital marketing space. And remember yesterday and the day before, I offered a limited plan that fits your budget and closes at midnight tonight. Well, it's still available until midnight tonight. So please, if you really want to start today, you can get started straight away just by commenting plan in the comments. And, I'd love to have you as part of this because it really is phenomenal. And the other thing is too that, we have a new 90-day run starting tomorrow as well. So, well, on the 1st of August, US time. So please, if you want to get started, this is the perfect time for you to begin and really move through this with all the help that you need, plus that really big shift that I had doing that 90-day run when I first started. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow at the same time, of course. But if you want more information, don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also just comment plan for more information. I look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.